In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D-like effect with simple layering. This quick design technique works in most creative apps and gives your icons and shapes a sense of depth without any actual 3D modeling. It's great for logos, buttons, badges, and callouts, and once you learn it, you can build it into your workflow in minutes. Start by placing your shape or icon on the canvas. Pick something with a clear silhouette so the edge reads well once we add depth. Size it to how you plan to use it, because the spacing we're about to create will look most natural at your final scale. If your tool supports vector shapes, use them to keep edges crisp when scaling. Next, duplicate the shape. Use Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V. Keep the duplicate perfectly aligned with the original. Some apps paste in place. If yours doesn't, just nudge it back into position so both copies line up exactly. Think of the top one as your visible face, and the copy underneath as the layer that will create the illusion of thickness. Change the color of that bottom layer to a darker or lighter shade of the original. Stick with the same hue so it feels like a shadow or highlight of the same material. If your background is light, a darker shade tends to look like natural depth. If your background is dark, a lighter shade can read like a highlight. Aim for a noticeable shift, but not so extreme that it feels disconnected from the top color. Now offset the bottom layer slightly to the side or down. Use tiny nudges with the arrow keys to move it just a few pixels. Down and to the right suggests a light source from the top left, which is a common choice. Keep it subtle. Too large an offset starts to look like a drop shadow rather than a solid extrusion. For stronger depth, repeat the duplicate recolor offset combo. Each new layer should sit beneath the previous one, move in the same direction, and use a slightly deeper or lighter shade of the same color. Consistent spacing and a gentle gradient of shades will make the effect feel smooth and intentional. When you're happy with the depth, select all the layers and group them. Grouping lets you move, scale, or rotate the entire object while keeping the layered effect intact. You can still edit colors or spacing later by entering the group and adjusting individual layers. And that's it. With a handful of copies, color tweaks, and small offsets, you've built a 3D-like effect that's clean, flexible, and fast. No complex tools required,